Live below your means. This might be the most crucial rule. Spend less than you earn and avoid lifestyle inflation. Channel the extra money towards savings and investments. Invest wisely. Learn about different investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversify your portfolio to manage risk. Consider seeking professional financial advice. Increase your income. Negotiate a raise. Pursue a side hustle, or explore ways to earn more within your field. Pay off debt. High-interest debt can hinder wealth accumulation. Prioritize paying off credit cards and other expensive loans. Embrace delayed gratification. Don't fall for instant gratification purchases. Learn to prioritize long-term financial goals over fleeting desires. Educate yourself. Financial literacy is essential. Read books, take courses, and stay informed about personal finance best practices.